If your houseplants could talk, they'd probably be screaming right now. I'm not thirsty every day. Symptoms of overwatering: yellowing leaves, mushy roots, waterlogged soil. Finger test. Stick your finger 1 to 2 inches into the soil. If it still feels damp, don't water. Most tropical plants like the top inch to dry out first. Moisture meters. Stick the probe halfway into the soil near the roots. If it reads 3 to 4, it's time to water. Check multiple spots for accuracy. Breathable pots. These let excess moisture escape and prevent rot. I can't see the sun. Symptoms of low light: leggy growth, slow or no new leaves, loss of color variegation. Match light needs. Put sun-loving plants like succulents near the brightest window. Use sheer curtains for indirect light lovers like ferns or calatheas. Use grow lights. If natural light is weak, LED grow lights can fill the gap. Aim for 12 to 14 hours daily. I can't breathe. Symptoms of poor airflow: moldy soil, pests, weak stems. Keep air circulating. Use a small fan on low near plant shelves. Rotate plants occasionally to expose all sides. Don't crowd them. Space your plants out to allow air to flow between foliage. I'm freezing or boiling. Symptoms of wrong temperature: leaf drop, crispy tips, wilting despite watering. Stable temps. Most houseplants prefer 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid placing them near radiators, AC vents, or drafty windows. Watch windowsills. Even sunny windows can get too cold or too hot, especially in winter or summer. My roots are suffocating. Symptoms of wrong pot or soil: stunted growth, roots growing out of the drainage holes, constant dryness or sogginess. Soil mix. Use cactus mix for succulents, peat-free mix for leafy plants, and chunkier soil for aroids. Repot when root-bound. If they circle the bottom or spill out, move to a pot 1 to 2 inches bigger. Drainage is a must. Always use pots with drainage holes.